Hello and welcome back to another episode of Words Well Read, where words rule and we make learning fun. We have two amazing words in store for you today. First up, we have morass. Morass. Morass is a word that means a messy or confusing situation, just like a swampy area. Have you ever felt like you are stuck in a difficult or complicated situation and you don't know how to get out of it? That's a morass. It can mean being confused or unsure about something or feeling like you are in a messy situation. Here is a sentence example. The company was in a morass of debt and lawsuits. Next, we have celerity. Celerity. Celerity is a word that means moving quickly and efficiently, like when you're in a rush to get something done. It can also describe how fast something is happening. Here is a sentence example. The chef moved with celerity as she prepared the meals. That's all for this video, folks. We hope you enjoyed and learned something new today. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more fun videos. Thanks for watching.